The topic we are going to discuss about is fundamental principles of organic chemistry, and the subtopic is geometric isomerism. What is geometric isomerism? The compounds which possess the same structural formula but differ with respect to positions of identical groups in space are called cis-trans isomers. This phenomena is known as cis-trans या geometric isomerism. So, geometric isomerism में we have those molecules जिनके structural formula भी same होते हैं, लेकिन they differ in positions of the identical groups. So like you have cis butene and trans butene. अगर तो वो identically position पे होंगे, then will be cis, और अगर वो opposite होंगे तो they will be trans. So what are the conditions that must be fulfilled in order to show geometric isomerism? Molecules must possess double bond and two groups attached to the same carbon atom must be different. So यहाँ पे we have double bond और इसके अलावा जो carbon atoms के साथ जो functional groups attached हैं वो differ होने चाहिए, ना कि यहाँ पे सारे ही चारों के चारों हाइड्रोजन हो जाते, तब भी वो exhibit नहीं कर सकता था geometric isomerism. Here is a concept of rotation around bond. Two carbon atoms joined by a single bond are capable of free rotation. अगर दो carbon atoms एक दूसरे के साथ single bond के जरिए linked है, तो वो free rotate कर सकते हैं. लेकिन अगर वही carbon atoms double bond के जरिए एक दूसरे के साथ link है, तो वो free rotate नहीं कर सकते. That's why carbon atoms bonded through or via double bond, they exhibit cis-trans isomers, क्योंकि वो molecules जो हैं वो आपस में rotate ही नहीं कर सकते. क्योंकि सिग्मा बॉन्ड जो है वो साइड टू साइड ओवरलैप के जरिए बनती है, ठीक है. यहाँ पे दे आर नॉट अबव एंड बिलो द प्लेन, जबकि जो पाई बॉन्ड होती है वो अबव और बिलो द प्लेन प्रेजेंट होती है, जिसकी वजह से एटम्स की जो मूवमेंट है वो रिस्ट्रिक्ट हो जाती है, दे कांट रोटेट. So what are cis and trans forms? In cis form the similar groups lie on the same side of the double bond, जबकि trans form में similar groups lie on the opposite side of the double bond. So here you can see सब double bond है, above and below they are the sides. So above भी atoms जो है वो differ होने चाहिए, अगर वो differ है तो they would be trans, और अगर वो similar है तो they would be cis. So here जो similar groups हैं वो double bond के एक side पे attached, so that's why they are cis. यहाँ पे they are attached on the opposite side of the double bond, so they are trans. और यहाँ पे they are neither cis or trans. Again, we have trans 1,2-dichloroethane and cis 1,2-dichloroethane, क्योंकि क्लोरीन जो है यहाँ पे opposite side of the double bond के साथ linked है, जबकि यहाँ पे chlorine is attached on the same side of the double bond. Let's discuss a question. How many structural and cis-trans isomers are possible for this formula? The options are 3, 5, 6 and 7. So the option is 5. 3 इसके structural isomers possible हैं और 2 जो है वो cis और trans isomers. So total would be 5. Here we have difference between cis and trans isomers. Cis isomers में same atoms are attached on the same side of the double bond, जबकि trans में they are attached on the opposite side. So arrangement में वही similarity है, जबकि यहाँ पे they are on the opposite. Polarity में cis isomers polar होते हैं, जबकि trans जो है वो non polar होते हैं. Melting point they have comparatively low, जबकि trans isomers में they are high melting points. Boiling point में cis isomers have higher boiling point, जबकि trans have low boiling points. Packing की अगर हम बात करते हैं तो cis जो होते हैं they have loose packing, जबकि जो trans होते हैं they are well packed. So this was all about the geometric isomerism. I hope you have understood it well, and thank you so much.